Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight on Facebook, a couple of people have been trying to help out somebody, kind of a friend of mine that I met February in Las Vegas at the trade show, and he needs a feather font. Well, there's no fonts with feathers, so I kind of drew one. I'm mainly doing this video for him, but you might get it's rough. It's but it might work. He needs Wyoming raised. And then I started thinking about why not make a brush stroke. So I made this one right here, and it needs some improvement. And like once you got the eye perfect, I would use the eye for both of them. But all I did was and if you don't know how to do a brush stroke, add to a brush stroke, you just have your vectorized feather and just add it to your brush stroke. I'm not going to add it because I've already got one. I kind of played around at first, just putting the feathers inside of other numerical or alphabetical letters. But then I thought, why not? Because the ones he had were kind of abstract. So we're going to kind of just do theirs real quick, abstract. I'm going to turn them yellow so I can see them. And then I'm going to get my brush stroke, and there's my feather. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And then this is where you find out if you have any artistic ability or not to trace these letters. And then to kind of decide whether you want to go up or down, or start from the top, start from the bottom. But it's pretty fun and pretty cool to play with. And it's amazing how long you can make the brush stroke. I did terrible in that one, but you really find out how good your hand movement with your mouse is. And the good thing about it, since it's yellow, we can see. So Mike, if you're watching this, it's really pretty easy. I'm not taking a lot of time to do this, but like I said, and then what's so nice about it, if you make a mistake, just back up and draw it again. And if you find another font that maybe doesn't even have these curves, I kind of looked for one that was more abstract. But then after you're done, you just take your text away, and there's the one I did. And I guess I'll go over real quick so you won't have to find that video. If you want to make this stroke, let's make it blue just so it's different. And go to your artistic media tool and pick your brush, and then right here save, and we're going to save it as feather blue. And then when you want to, there's your blue feather. And every time my old laptop tries to grab one, it takes just a second, but that's how it works, and it's pretty cool. You can make, I've made many of brush strokes through the years, but I never have tried to do a font with one. Anyway, it'll get there, but I'm not going to make you wait through that time for it to grab that blue color. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.